I'm very, very sad. Just imagine two grown-up women in front of their children.
Please click on the subscribe button for more updates.
One Cameroonian based in USA, that's Dr. Sele, proposed to Professor Uju. Imagine in front of, what pay me pass, in front of their children. The children supported it. They look those pictures for, they observe. In front of their children. And I also dropped the link of that's the video where when she, the Dr. Sele proposed to Dr. Uju. You see there at the comment section. You understand? This is what the world has turned into. And funny enough, both of them are professors. So. Professors. And they have children from the man already. Yet they've thought of that coming to, Professor Ju saying that he's happy that this one, Sele, Dr. Sele asked her to be her wife. Just imagine. That is what the world has turned into. The world has turned into something else. The world has turned into something else. This is what the world order is all about. Part of it, to ensure that this nonsense keeps happening. You see? And funny enough, this woman is, from the eastern part of Nigeria, just embarrassing herself before the world. And I say that this is a sacrilege. In Igbo land, it's a pure sacrilege. For a grown-up adult, an Igbo woman like that, to come up to think of accepting a proposal from a fellow female. And this is happening in USA and some other countries. How should we copy their lifestyle? Why must we copy such lifestyles? Why we go copy such lifestyle? You see, which kind pattern be this? Which kind embarrassment be this? At this stage, we be say, person suppose, as in, they take care of their children. And on that thing, worst parts of the thing will even happen for that video, you see, that the children come, they celebrate. They carry mind. They celebrate. They celebrate the wedding of their own mothers. It does as today now, your mama come, they marry other mama. You come, they clap. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's nice. That's nice. That's good. That's good. Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy. As you there, you sit down, the world that kind of thing happen, they clap. What has this world turned into? What in this world they turn into? What, as in, like, I don't know. As in, the kind of evil happening day by day. This one, I don't know what they call them. We kind of act like we call this type of one. When they happen for those white land, now we can't they copy their listen. This kind of thing is not happen for Igbo land. Now because you stay for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 years for US, you can't carry their mentality. If you say they right. In front of your children, the children say, we're supposed to caution mama. They clap. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's good. That's great. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? The reason I bring this video is to make now watch, follow me, see what happen, and comment. Anything you can talk about the matter, if you put them for comment section, you understand? So for those who they follow watch for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. And you who don't subscribe, please don't forget to like, share, comment. Let other people see this thing. You understand? Thank you very much.